Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stop by. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to make jungo for crochet or for bandika. In today's video I use darling long number 19, and I'm going to show you step by step from the beginning to end, because this is beginners friendly. So I'm going step by step. So I started by dividing the hair in small section, as you can see, and I divide into two. I make sure one side is bigger than other. Then I put it in three sections, as you can see, like this. Then I attach it on the yarn. You can attach it on the yarn or any other place as you feel comfortable with. Then I began to braid, and when I'm braiding, my middle finger helped me to hold the hair every side. Let me move more closely, then you can see more clear guys, like exactly what I'm doing. My middle finger every time helped me to grab the hair and keep going. After I braid like 3 times, I start to pull small hair. Then I braid again 2 times. The third one I hold it and I pull again, all side, I mean right side and left side. And this is exactly what we will do in this jungo braids. Let's continue. 2 times, the third one I hold, then I pull. So different from one side to another is 2 steps of braiding. I hope this makes sense. So like this, then I continue braiding 1 2. The third one I pull out just a small amount of hair, no need to pull too much. If you see so closely, you see like every braid I pull, but actually it's not true. I pull after every 2 steps. The third one I pull small hair out. And the reason guys why I show you how to braid in 3 stand is because when you start direct with 3 stand, it's very easy to put your stand even, more than to start with 2 stand. Then when you continue braiding, then divide into 3. In that method, it's very easy to find out one side is bigger than other, so your braiding will not be so even if you're a beginner. But this method to start direct with 3 stand is very easy, and it's easy to put your stand even. So no need to worry out that one side is going to be smaller than other, because you already start from the beginning to put your stand even. So I continue to pull out some hair to give the braiding that distressed look, and I continue till almost the end of my braiding. And also you can decide either you want to make your jungo braids too long or short, depending on which length you're comfortable to work with. I can say my braids not too long and not short. I can call it medium. So I continue braiding till almost end, and I keep some space for putting curly. I would like to put some curly end of my jungle braids. So yes, that's how I prepare these jungle braids guys. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss anything when I upload. I normally upload twice per week, so please subscribe and join the family. And finally, I'm done with my jungle braiding, guys, and this is how it looks like. And this is the space I keep for putting curling. So the next step, I go ahead and use flexible rods. This I got it from Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description below, so it will be easy for you in case you need it. And the good thing of these flexible rods is you can use it as long as you can. You can use it so many times. I can say you can use it so many times. The most important is how you keep it. Like mine, I already used over 3 times and it's still good. I will continue to use it. So I roll it here on my braiding. And the good thing is, even if you roll it's very small space, this flexible rod is really very flexible. You can roll it in any position or in any size you like. So after I attach the flexible rods on my braiding hair, I start to roll my braiding hair and grab it on top of my flexible rods till I finish my braiding hair. And after that, I trim off all the excess hair to put my braiding clean and neat. And after I make sure the braiding is clean and neat, I go ahead and take hot water and I put the end in the hot water. After that, I take out and I remove the flexible rods. And if you don't have flexible rod, you can use straw. Also does a very good job when you're talking about putting curling on braiding. So I continue to trim off all the excess hair. And after I finish, this is how my hair looks like after trim off all the excess hair. So I put in hot water for 30 seconds and I take out, guys. So after that, I remove the flexible rods on my jungle braiding hair. And if this is the result, this is how the curly come out like. And soon I'll upload the video on how I install this jungle braiding on my hair. So guys, stay tuned. And I hope you enjoy watching this video. So this is the result, guys, of today's video. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, please give me a thumb up and share this video to others. And I love you guys so much and thank you so much for your support. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.